Happy weekend, everyone. Let's go walking. I'm gonna walk from here in the house, going to Alwata Mall. Because I won't be able to go walking this morning because I went to attend a training seminar, a financial management in God's Way training seminar today. That's why now, because I won't be able to take a nap, I'll go to Alwada by walking only. And from Alwada, I'm gonna ride bus going to the church from bus station Alwada. Bye guys, see you there in Alwada Mall. Where's my I need to double check my key, my double key, what do you call that? Double check my key, my bus card. Tapos I'm gonna ride bus. I go to the church from Alwada and my key. My key. Need to double check my key. Yeah. This is the time need to go walking because in the morning I won't be able to do it. I try to be healthy. Have exercise every Saturday. My day off. Saturday is my day off, my rest day. I'll try my best to have exercise that day, my guys.